What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting tech video for you guys. And today we're going to take a look at the Tozo NC20 Pro earbuds. And if you're starting to shop for some wireless earbuds here after the holiday season, you've probably noticed a pretty stark trend, which is that they all have similar design, similar feature set, just basically a sea of the same out there. And that is where the Tozo NC20 Pros really stand out, with offering something completely different that you won't find with most other true wireless earbuds. On offer here, you have the smart touchscreen charging case, which looks striking and is definitely something that you won't find on most competitors. LDAC high-res audio at an amazing price point, and adaptive noise cancellation up to 52 decibels. I've been using the Tozo NC20 Pros for a few weeks now, and I did review the NC20s earlier this year, and I want to walk through in this video what really makes the Pros stand out, the additional feature sets you get, and why I think that these could be one of the best options if you're shopping for wireless earbuds and you don't want to break the bank. Tozo has really done something special here with the NC20 Pros. Let's start off the video by talking about the most unique feature here, and that is the smart charging case with a built-in touchscreen and striking design. Instead of pulling out your phone every time, you can double tap the case to control playback, volume, noise cancellation modes, scene settings, and even enable low latency gaming mode. You can pretty much do anything on the case screen itself that you can also do inside the Tozo app. What's especially interesting is that the screen can display real-time lyrics while listening, which is something you almost never see at this price point, and indeed, even many premium price buds do not have such an amazing option. The case also supports wireless charging and USB-C fast charging, so it's fairly easy to keep these topped up while you're on the go, and having that fast charging option is really well thought out by Tozo, considering of course the screen can drain a little extra battery, but because of the wireless charging and that fast charging via USB-C, I never really noticed any issues in my testing. Now, sound quality and the value that you get for your money here is where the Tozo NC20 Pros really start to shine in terms of the audio quality. Getting LDAC high-res wireless audio, which means significantly higher audio bandwidth compared to standard Bluetooth codecs, especially noticeable on supported Android devices like my Galaxy S25 Ultra and my new Galaxy Z Trifold. Inside, Tozo uses a 12mm dynamic driver with DLC diaphragms, delivering deep bass down to 15 Hz, while still keeping vocals and details clean. These buds have really amazing bass for the price point, and if you're looking to find that really nice bass while not spending a ton of money, I can tell you that these are a solid option. I listen to mostly hip hop and rock, and I was really impressed with the overall sound profile that the Tozo NC20 Pros have in my time listening to them. They're also incredibly comfortable, which I'll talk a little bit later on, but usually when you have amazing bass, you also have a really bulky earbud, and that's not the case here with the NC20 Pros. Whether you're commuting, listening at work, working out, these offer exceptional value that punches way above its weight given the price point. In fact, there are many buds that are $200 plus that don't deliver this sound profile and feature set. Now, of course, with a pair of true wireless earbuds, you're also going to be using these for calls quite a lot, so let's talk about the call quality. The NC20 Pro features an adaptive active noise cancellation, automatically adjusting based on your surroundings, blocking up to 52 decibels of ambient noise. This is especially useful when moving between quiet spaces and noisy environments like traffic, cafes, or while using them on public transit. For calls, there's a 6-microphone AI noise reduction system designed to filter wind and background chatter so that your voice stays clear on all of your calls. I placed several calls using the NC20 Pro during my time testing, and my wife even remarked on one of our calls that it was incredibly clear audio. As I told her I was using earbuds, I didn't tell her which brand. She was very impressed and thought that I was using a much higher price set, and it's something that Tozo does exceptionally well, especially with that new AI noise cancellation feature. What's up, man? I'm doing pretty good. How about you? How are you finding the audio quality on these? I'm testing out some earbuds. I'm just curious about the audio quality. Can you hear me pretty well?
Yes, I can. I feel like how I'm hearing you is like the same as if it was just like a regular call off your phone.
Awesome. That sounds absolutely fantastic. Well, Tori, I
Oh
really
yeah, it is.
appreciate your help. And it sounds like these buds might indeed be a certified winner.
Oh, I think so too.
All right, man. I'll see you later.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Battery life is another place that Tozo delivered big time with the NC20 Pros, so let's talk about what's on offer here and my real world experience. You're looking at up to 30 hours on a single charge based on Tozo's documentation, or 28 hours with ANC enabled, and a massive up to 80 hours total with the charging case. The earbuds also feature wearing detection, so your music pauses automatically when you take them out and resumes when you put them back in, which can definitely save some battery life. In using these in real world scenario, I did notice that I listen to my music at a fairly loud volume. I got around 25 hours total time on a single charge, of course, without the case. And then the case can add maybe another 30 to 40 hours. And of course, this does depend on exactly how loud you listen to your music and whether or not you have that ANC enabled. But overall, I came away very impressed with battery life, again, exceeding some of my more higher priced buds in this category. The earbuds also have IPX8 waterproof rating, which means they're protected against sweat, rain, and workouts, so you don't have to worry about using these in the gym. Comfort-wise, the lightweight ergonomic design stays comfortable even during long listening sections. I wore these for about 6 to 8 hours in some of my work days, and Tozo includes 6 different ear tip sizes for a personalized fit, so you can make sure that they fit perfectly inside your ear. And again, an extra value add, which sometimes you don't see in the lower price segment. You usually see this with, again, 200 plus earbuds. Tozo is really trying to aim at that market and get people who want those higher priced feature sets without paying that higher price. Wrapping up on the Tozo NC20 Pros, I want to give you guys a couple things that I find to be exceptional values in this price point. The Tozo app is very well thought out, which gives you tons of different options. You get access to 32 EQ presets, community created sound profiles, and additional controls, Bluetooth 5.4, which ensures stable low latency connections, and dual device pairing, which lets you switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. Overall, the Tozo NC20 Pros definitely stands out by offering high-end feature set, this strikingly different and unique charging case, which has the full display on the front and still offering an amazing sound profile. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that give you amazing audio quality, but also has something that really stands out design-wise and will also be a conversation starter with your friends, the Tozo NC20 Pros are definitely worth a look. If you guys are interested, check out the link in the comments description. Also, there'll be any relevant discount codes that Tozo has right now to purchase the NC20 Pros. I want to thank Tozo for sponsoring this video, sending these out for review, and also thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll be happy to get back to you about these buds. I really enjoyed my time with them. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.